Enterprise agents in ThousandEyes offer visibility into your organization's network and application performance. They monitor and troubleshoot issues by gathering data from your network data center or cloud environment. Many organizations have underused servers. Deploying an enterprise agent on existing infrastructure is possible using virtualization software like Oracle VirtualBox and VMware ESXi. This allows the agent to share resources from these servers. This video will guide you through the steps to deploy an enterprise agent in vSphere. The first thing we need to do is download the virtual appliance OVA file. For this, navigate to Network and App Synthetics, and then Agent Settings. Click on the Add New Enterprise Agent button. Navigate to Appliance and then select the Download OVA button to the right of Virtual Appliance. It takes a few minutes for the download to complete. Once the file is downloaded, log into vSphere Client. Right-click on your data center, cluster, or ESXi host and select Deploy OVF Template. Choose Local File, then browse and select the ThousandEyes OVA you just downloaded. Click Next. Update the name to be unique and select the target location. Select the ESXi host or cluster where you want the enterprise agent to run. Here you will see the template details like product name, version, and vendor. Review the information and click Next. Choose a data store with sufficient free space. Virtual appliances ship pre-configured for 2 GB of RAM and with a 20 GB hard disk. Make sure that your machine has enough resources to host the virtual appliance. Click Next. Map the VM network to the appropriate port group. This network must have outbound internet access so the agent can communicate with the ThousandEyes portal. Click Next. Review all the settings one final time. When you are ready, click Finish to begin deployment. Once deployment is complete, power on the virtual machine. Click on Launch Web Console. A new tab opens displaying the console screen. After the system boots, a screen will appear showing an IP address for the management console and default login credentials. Access the ThousandEyes virtual appliance interface via the URL on that screen and log in using the credentials provided. Next, you'll be prompted to change the password for the web interface on the appliance. It must be at least 8 characters long and include 3 of the following: uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your old and new passwords, click Change Password and then Continue. After that, a field will appear under the Agent section asking for the account group token. To retrieve this token, log into the ThousandEyes platform and navigate to Network and App Synthetics, then Agent Settings and add New Enterprise Agent. Copy the account group token and paste it into the field. BrowserBot is a software component used for synthetic monitoring. It simulates user interactions with web applications, like clicking buttons, filling forms, or navigating through pages. By default, BrowserBot is set to Yes. Keep this setting, since BrowserBot is required for page load, transaction, and API tests. Click Continue. Next, the Review section will appear, and diagnostics will begin running. At first, you may see some errors in red, but they should turn green after a few minutes, once the agent checks in with the account group token. Once both the appliance status and diagnostics indicators turn green, click Complete. Finally, to verify the enterprise agent status, return to the ThousandEyes platform, go to Agent Settings, and check the agent status. The agent will automatically check for updates and upgrade to the latest version. You can confirm this once the status and last contact field turns green and shows the last contact time in minutes. Opening the agent details will also confirm that both the agent and BrowserBot components have been upgraded successfully with no red indicators. On the right side, under General Information, you will see details such as the agent's public and private IP addresses, the versions of the agent and BrowserBot, and the installation type. That's it. In this video, we learned how to deploy an enterprise agent using VMware vSphere. Thanks for watching.